Welcome back! Today we are taking a closer look at some of my favorite Canon Zoom lenses. These lenses are absolutely worth it for their versatility, high performance and ability to handle a variety of shooting scenarios. So whether you want to capture landscapes, stunning portraits, events or distant wildlife, zoom lenses allow you to adapt to the moment with ease. And yes, each of these lenses has earned its place in my gear bag, but now let's get started. And first up, let's talk about the Canon RF 15-35 f2.8L IS-USM. And this one is my go-to wide-angle zoom lens. It combines a versatile focal range with top-notch image quality, and its build quality is everything you would expect from Canon's L-series lineup. With constant f2.8 aperture, this lens delivers a great performance in low-light conditions, and it provides a beautiful subject isolation when needed. Basically, at the wider end you get an immersive perspective, while the 35mm setting is perfect for a more natural field of view. In addition, the built-in image stabilization is also such a great feature. This is especially useful for handheld shooting in low light or when you want to capture videos. And pairing it with a Canon body like the Canon EOS R5 or R6 enhances this feature even further. And yes, this lens always delivers stunning results for me. I personally use it in most cases for my videos here on my channel to capture some dynamic interior shots. On top, it's my favorite lens for top-down shots and wider thumbnail photos. And yes, at the end of the day, its sharpness and color reproductions are just outstanding. But what's about the price? Well, the RF 15-35 f2.8 comes with a premium price tag, but the versatility and image quality make it worth every penny for serious photographers and video producers. It's actually built to last and performs flawlessly in demanding situations, making it a valuable investment. But I can highly recommend to wait for some discounts to save some bucks here. Next up, let's talk about the Canon RF 24-70 f2.8, and this one is my ultimate workhorse lens. And yes, this lens covers the essential focal length, so it's ideal for everything from portraits and events to landscapes. In my opinion, its adaptability and reliability makes it a go-to option for a wide range of photographers, whether you're shooting professionally or capturing personal memories. If I could only take one lens to shoot, I would always pick up my 24-70 because the 24-70 range provides incredible flexibility. At 24mm you can capture wide dynamic shots, while the 70mm end is perfect for portraits and close-ups with stunning details. In combination, the constant f2.8 aperture ensures consistent exposure across the zoom range, making it an excellent choice for both stills and video work. Beyond that, the lens delivers a beautiful bokeh and an excellent subject isolation, creating a great look for your photos. The image stabilization is of course another great feature. This is absolutely perfect for someone like me who loves handheld shooting. On top, the L-series construction ensures durability and weather resistance, making it a reliable lens in all kind of situations. Additionally, all kind of RF lenses feature a customizable control ring for on-the-fly adjustments, adding to its user-friendly design. And I personally use it to adjust my ISO settings to make it as easy as possible for me to get the shots that I need. And yes, this lens has proven itself in countless scenarios. I've used it for a variety of photography sessions and video projects, and it always delivers great results. The autofocus is fast, silent and accurate, making it ideal for capturing all kind of moments. At the end of the day, it's incredibly versatile, making it one of the best zoom lenses out there. But for sure, the RF 24-70 is a significant investment, but its performance and versatility is just top notch. So for photographers who demand reliability and high quality results in all kind of situations, this lens is a must-have. Its robust build and image quality and flexibility makes it an essential lens for professionals and enthusiasts. So whether you're shooting portraits, events or everyday moments, this lens is designed to perform flawlessly and enhance your creative potential. But yeah, next let's talk about my absolute favorite zoom lens. The RF 70-200 f2.8 is a compact and lightweight telephoto zoom lens that delivers incredible performance. And yes, this one is an essential lens in my camera bag to take photos of animals, portraits and events, offering impressive reach and image quality in a portable package. And I know that there's a new 70-200 out there, but for me the compact form factor is just way better. In my opinion, Canon has truly pushed the boundaries with this lens and I absolutely love it. For me, the 70-200 focal range provides the versatility needed for various shooting scenarios. In combination, the f2.8 aperture allows for excellent low-light performance and a beautiful background separation, while the L-series optics ensure stunning sharpness, accurate colors and minimal distortion. One of the standout features of this lens is its compact design. Compared to the newer 70-200 models, this RF version is way smaller, making it much easier to carry around. For sure, the image stabilization system is also top-notch, especially for handheld shooting. This is a lifesaver. Basically, it ensures sharp and stable images even in challenging conditions. Another feature worth mentioning is the fast and quiet autofocus. This makes it ideal not only for still photography, but also for video work, where smooth and silent focus transitions are essential. And yes, exactly that's why this lens is one of my favorite zoom lenses. The 70-200mm range allows me to compress backgrounds beautifully for portraits and capture distant subjects with ease. Especially the telephoto compression and the wide f2.8 aperture creates a stunning bokeh, making subjects pop against soft, dreamy backgrounds. In combination, the fast and reliable autofocus ensures I never miss a shot, even in fast-paced environments. And last but not least, in combination, the lightweight design also also makes it a joy to use during long shoots. I never had any issues here, and yes, I've used it a lot for a variety of projects. But for sure the RF70-200 isn't cheap, but the compact size and great performance makes it a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about photography. Especially for professionals, this lens is a workhorse that delivers reliable, high-quality results in a variety of scenarios. It's actually a lens that always delivers great results. But if you're looking for maximum reach, the Canon RF 200-800mm is such a great choice. This super telephoto lens stands out not just for its impressive 200-800mm focal range, but also for its lightweight construction, especially if you compare it to other lenses in this category. It actually provides a variety of features to make it as easy as possible to take some great shots. For example, the image stabilization makes it possible to take steady shots even at maximum zoom, and its design provides durability even in challenging shooting conditions. On top, the autofocus is great for tracking fast-moving subjects, making it ideal for wildlife and sports photographers. In my opinion, this super telephoto zoom lens is absolutely great, and it provides an incredible range in a surprisingly portable package. And yes, the 200-800mm focal range allows you to capture distant subjects with amazing clarity. Despite its variable aperture, this lens remains lightweight and easy to handle compared to other super telephoto options. And yes, especially in this case, the image stabilization is an important feature. At such extreme focal length, it ensures sharp and stable images even when shooting handheld. Exactly, that's why I think that the reach and detail it offers makes it a game changer for capturing subjects that would otherwise be out of reach. So all in all, the RF 200-800 f6.3 to f9 offers incredible value for a lens with this level of reach. While it's for sure not as fast as some other prime lenses, the flexibility of the zoom range and the affordable price point for such a lens makes it an excellent choice for enthusiasts and professionals. For sure, $2,400 is still a lot of money, but if you compare all kind of other lenses for these specific scenarios, you will notice that this price is absolutely fine. But yeah, these are my favorite Canon zoom lenses, from the ultra-wide versatility of the RF 15-35 to the incredible reach of the RF 200-800. But what's your favorite zoom lens? Let me know that in the comments. So, thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new, don't forget to smash that subscribe button to stay updated for upcoming videos, and I see you in the next video.